in this video we will see how to fix error set power state VETOED system error with code 1140x474 on Windows 11 and Windows 10. Basically this error is appeared when any application driver prevents Windows from changing its power state. And to fix this issue, the first workaround is terminate active application. Go to Task Manager, right click on a Start button and choose Task Manager, and here look any third-party apps or programs running under process. If you found any such type of apps and programs, then simply select it and choose End Task. Simply select it, look for any third-party apps or programs running on your system, select it and choose End Task. The second workaround is uninstall conflicting apps. Right click on a Start button, choose Run. It will open Run dialog box. You may press Win plus R shortcut key to launch Run dialog box, and here type appwiz.cpl. It will open Program and Feature windows in Control Panel. Here look for any conflicting apps having errors. Simply select it and choose Uninstall. Restart the computer after uninstalling any apps and programs and check whether your error is resolved or not. Apply this process for all the conflicting apps. After that, restart your system and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, update your network adapter driver. Right click on a Start button and choose Device Manager. Here go to Network Adapters Display Adapter section, expand it, right click on it and choose Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for driver and look for any other device driver having warning sign yellow color exclamation mark appeared. Simply right click on it and choose Update Driver and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, repair the corrupt system files. Go to Windows Search, type cmd. It will open command prompt window. Choose Run as Administrator. Click on Run as Administrator, and in command prompt windows execute these three DISM tool one by one. DISM Online Scan Health, DISM Online Check Health and DISM Online Restore Health. Execute all these three commands one by one, followed by enter key on each time, and after that execute the command sfc scan now. It will scan your system for any corrupted files and repair them accordingly. Press enter and wait till 100% verification of your system files completed. It will take some time. After that, don't forget to restart your system and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, open Control Panel in your system, and here from the top right corner click on a small icon and choose Category. Here go to System and Security. Here choose Power Options, and from the left side choose what the power button does. Click on it. In this page, click on Change Settings that are currently unavailable. Click on it and disable Fast Startup. Make the Uncheck Against option turn on Fast Startup. Disable this feature and finally choose Save Changes. And check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, restore your system files and settings. Again, open Control Panel. Here click on a small arrow from the top right corner, choose large icons and look for the option Recovery. Click on Recovery. Here choose Open System Restore. Click on it. System Restore Files and Settings page wizard will open. Here click on Next. In the next page, choose a System Restore Point. You may check against options Show More Restore Points and some other restore points also visible. Click on Windows Update and click on Next and finally confirm your restore point. Your computer will be restored to the state it was in before this feature. Click on finish.